In a beautiful, sun-dappled forest lived an ant, a grasshopper, a butterfly, and an eagle. Each of them had their own special qualities, yet they all struggled to find happiness in who they were. The hard-working ant often sighed, glancing over at the grasshopper, who lounged under a leafy tree, singing joyfully. With a wistful heart, the ant wished it could enjoy such carefree moments instead of toiling away. Meanwhile, the grasshopper couldn't help but envy the butterfly, flitting from flower to flower with its colorful wings. It seemed so lucky to experience that kind of freedom. The butterfly, too, gazed up at the eagle, soaring gracefully in the sky, wishing for the ability to fly as high and free. To complicate matters, the mighty eagle, though powerful, looked down and felt a tinge of loneliness, wishing to have the camaraderie of small friends like the cheerful ant. Then one day, a heavy storm suddenly swept through the forest. The eagle soared above the clouds, untouched by the chaos. The butterfly found a cozy shelter under a leaf, the ant scurried into its tiny hole, and the grasshopper cleverly hopped to safety. Each creature managed to endure the storm, thanks to their unique strengths. After the storm passed and tranquility returned, the four friends gathered to reflect on their experiences. They realized how precious their individual qualities were and, for the first time, stopped wishing to be someone else. Instead, they embraced their uniqueness and learned to be happy with who they were. From that day forward, they understood an important truth. Every creature is unique and special, with its own purpose in the world. So remember, be happy with who you are.